The UCH5 is a neoprene cover for Helix 5 models. Helps keep your fish finder protected when not in use. Compatible with all Helix 5 series products. Color: black. Not for use while trailering boat. Note: only for gimbal mount installations. If Helix 5 series is mounted in dash, the unit cover will not fit. 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. Would recommend. I was nervous to buy it first because of all the reviews saying it was too tight, and ripping at the seam, but I have zero regrets buying this. The fit is perfect for the Helix 5, if it was not tight it would not serve its purpose. It's snug, but I had no struggle to put it on. It is a soft cover, but it is a nice thick material and is harder around the edges, seen in picture, so it shapes nicely and fits good. I put it on over the bottom first and get the edge fitting into the cover, then just put it over the rest of the Helix 5. I have no complaints about this, and if you are debating on buying this, then I recommend that you should just buy it.